Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this breakout video here, I'll be reviewing this OEMTools portable teardown tray, model number 24616. A link to this will be included in the video description. Everything comes neatly packed in one box, and you will see it has the typical OEMTools color scheme of black and green. Here I'm unpacking everything out of the box. This does require some assembly, which is very straightforward. Instructions are also included. This is a great way to keep all your tools and parts in one place for whatever you're working on. As you can see in the box, we do have the top work surface, extendable posts, fixed post, base, caster wheels, and fasteners. Each of the sections in the main worktop surface also include liners made from a EVA foam to keep things in place and prevent scratching on the paint. A wrench does come with the workbench. However, a ratchet with a socket does make the assembly a little quicker. Following the instructions is very straightforward. I did add a washer to the extendable leg just to protect the paint. All fasteners have thread locker applied despite having a lock washer to ensure no fasteners loosen up with usage. The base is required to be assembled first before the top. It includes 4 swivel casters, so maneuvering around any type of awkward space is easy. Next is the top of the assembly. The center post is put into place along with the 4 bolts. The top has a weight capacity of 55 pounds and is equipped with a rubber protective edge. All the steel surfaces have a durable powder-coated painted finish. Put the base on its wheels and loosen that height knob. Insert the center post for the work surface, then tighten the knob. This has an adjustable height of 33.5 inches to 49.2 inches. The work surface dimensions are 29.1 inches by 20.1 inches and has a heavy-duty all-steel construction. It has one main work area along with 3 smaller work areas for any tools or parts, keeping everything organized. There is a perimeter wall to prevent any parts or tools from falling off. This is great for any shop environment. It takes up minimal space while creating a portable work surface. The vibrant green is great for spotting this easily, and its open base allows for you to route it around any wheels or minimize the risk of a tripping hazard. This is definitely a great addition to anyone's shop or garage. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.